Now to breaking news, there are new developments in the criminal child neglect case surrounding the Richneck Elementary School shooting.
The former assistant principal is now set to stand trial. Alex Littlehales is at the Newport-News courthouse with an update about the legal fight in this high-profile case.
Well, good evening. Dr. Ebony Parker, the assistant principal at the time during the Richneck school shooting in 2023, will now face a criminal jury trial on February 19th and the 20th of 2025. This is just the latest development in a story that reached national attention, highlighting concerns of both guns and school safety. Mr. Rogers, will Ms. Parker be in attendance today? Attorney Curtis Rogers silent Monday afternoon as he walked into Newport-News Circuit Court. Within minutes, he and the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office agreed on a jury trial date of February 19th and 20th of 2025 for the criminal child neglect charges against former Richneck Elementary School Assistant Principal Dr. Ebony Parker. Dr. Ebony Parker is charged with 8 counts of felony child neglect and abuse, 1 charge for every bullet allegedly inside the gun used by the 6-year-old boy who shot Abby Zwerner on January 6, 2023. Parker is also a named defendant in a separate $40 million civil lawsuit filed by Zwerner. That complaint details how the teacher's attempts to warn school staff of a gun on school grounds went unheard. The new trial date in late February comes 5 months after a special grand jury report found Dr. Parker ignored multiple warning signs in the hours before the student shot Zwerner. That report called Parker's lack of response that day, quote, shocking. The 31-page investigation also found that Ebony Parker, quote, took no action at least 4 times between noon and 1:40 p.m. that day. At 1:40 that afternoon, Parker allegedly refused the search of the child less than 20 minutes before the student shot Zwerner. February's criminal jury trial will come just weeks after the civil trial filed by Zwerner and her attorneys. So it is also worth noting that the principal at the time of the Richneck shooting is not criminally liable in this case. That special grand jury report found that a lot of this information about those concerns was not disseminated to the principal by Dr. Ebony Parker. In Newport News, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
Okay, Alex, thanks. The student's mother, Deja Taylor, is currently serving a 2-year sentence for felony child neglect. She will also serve 21 months in jail for a federal gun possession charge.